Kasama ng, so we're gonna go to,
Discount. 250.
we're gonna go to the swimming waterfalls. Good morning, guys. We're gonna pay for the entrance to go to the waterfalls here. So that's for the tour guide and go to the waterfalls. We have to pay here. It's like about $2, $2.50 maybe, about that. Bulalakaw Waterfall. We have a tour guide here to go to the waterfalls.
So, orient lang tayo ma'am bago tayo mag-alis ma'am. So, tawid tayo ma'am ng 5 ilog.
Oh,
Kaya dito lang ang babaw. So, yun
How-
yung ganun siya.
how far is it?
It's 25 minutes ma'am. Depends to the walk po siya. So, yung pinakamabilis na pinakamabagal na yung 25 minutes. So, pinakamabilis dito 20 minutes pero hindi naman tayo mamadali kasi maaga naman po. So, yung stick ma'am, papansin nyo po, ano lang pang balance lang po.
All right, we're gonna use the stick to balance ourselves. Very good. Oh, they have bathroom there too if you want to go pee, huh?
Ah,
So we gotta go,
ilang taon na po kayo ma'am?
huh?
Ilang taon na po?
Senor. So guys, we're on the way to the waterfalls. Can't wait to get up there, guys. I'm glad we had a good weather. I can hear the water, guys. Yes. It's gonna be fun. They said it's about 20 minutes to get up there, guys. So what we did, we took a tricycle to get up here. It's about 45 minutes. And to get to the waterfalls is 20 minutes. So they said that we have to cross the river. The guide said that we're gonna have to cross 5 rivers to get up to the waterfalls.
Dali lang naman.
So
Madulas mo ma'am chinilas niyo ma'am?
Ayaw ko kung makuha, mabasa.
Ah,
what happened to your water shoes, madam?
ma'am, ayungat na po kasi mabatulong ma'am. Huwag niyo lang po apakan yung mga malalaki.
Ilang taon ka na?
28 po sa 17.
How many kids do you have?
Dalawa na po.
This is our tour guide right there.
Wow.
He's gonna take us to the waterfalls. We have four more rivers to cross. Come on, madam.
So, bali, pag may lahat naman ng ilog may daanan po kami, shortcut siya. Pero kapag halimbawa na hindi tagalan namin kaya i-handle, halimbawa ngayon ito tatlo, kailangan ko na ng kasama nito ng
Bali, akala ko ang ilang ang kalimbayan pa pala ko. Pinabayad namin, happy sila.
All right, guys.
100 po na binayad.
I'm having so fun so far.
Yung mga sa yung una kasing guest din dito, ma'am, nasabi siya baka hindi mag-provide kayo ng global. Sabihin, maganda ka.
So I got a stick here for my to balance, which that really helps a lot. Huh? All right.
Pahinga. Sabi lang po kayo.
I'm good. The guide said that if we want to rest, just let him know. No, I'm good.
Bali, ma'am, yung mabilis na nga po kayo. Yung 80 po na dinala po, ano? Malakad niya siguro, ma'am.
Eh, 84 years old ka na, pumunta ka dito.
Are you gonna make it, madam?
Kami, 63, 65. Ganun doon. Ako pa man doon.
Hey,
Sino? Hey, who's 65 here? Sinong 65?
Oh. Sino?
ikaw, ma'am.
Ako.
Medyo, ano pa si ano eh.
Ha?
Medyo, ano pa po si ma'am. Ano pa ba? Tawag dito? Tagalog. Sa galaw-galaw po, ma'am.
Okay na? Patayin natin.
Bira lang magulan. Kami ang lalo po sa inyo, mga nilas wala ko, papunan lang. Sabi kung gusto yung maghabang buhay mo.
Sige na. So this is third river. Look at this guy out. This river is so clean. Look at this. So there's like a rope here you can hang on to. But I don't need a rope. I got me a stick here. Hirap talaga. Wow, guys. This is a very nice river. It's really cool in here, guys. Inside the woods. I don't mind to do this at all. I can do this maybe about twice a week. I like to walk. So that's bamboo trees right there, guys. Bamboo trees.
Saan talaga siya doon yung puro?
So this is the fourth river. One more river to go and then we'll be close to the waterfalls. So you guys, this is our fourth river to cross. So we got one more river and then we'll be there at the waterfalls. Look at this river. Oh wow, my goodness.
Tungkot. Ako lang pag kumakakit ako mga ganito, nakaganito.
Ganito din sa inyo, ma'am.
That's a really thick jungle, isn't it? Guys, look at that. Oh, this is right there, guys. It looks like a sugar cane. That's horse food right there. See right there, guys. It's a lot here. So we're actually right here in the middle of the jungle, guys, to get up to the waterfalls. And it's about like 20, the guide said 20 minutes to get up there from where we came from. But actually for us, probably 30 minutes. Hey, is this a mango tree?
Ako, ma'am.
No, this one.
Pinarabaw ang tawag sa...
Karabaw, may nutriente. Karabaw, may
Oh, it's a different kind of mango tree. The one that's round, green.
Ang inisip ng iba. Pag pinaniman mo kasi sa'yo, ma'am, kaya bawal yung pakialam mo dito. Sa totoo naman, ma'am, may gusto sana makialam. Pagdating sa mga...
Thick vegetation here, guys. Yeah. So guys, this is the last river we have to cross, and then the waterfalls will be a little bit farther now after this one here, maybe about 5-10 minutes. Actually, guys, this is only one river, but it's kind of like snake around, so we have to cross 5 rivers, but actually it's just one river.
Bali ko po at yan, ma'am, babalik ko po siya. Yung pinaka-gitna niya, iikot. Bali, flex. Baka,
So we're almost there, guys. Almost there. So we already crossed 5 rivers because she said 5 rivers, and then the waterfalls. Oh wow, I can tell we're close. Wow.
nasanay na sa tao, ma'am. Agatin
So,
na lang.
so guys, we're actually here in the middle of the jungle, but I do not see any monkeys. I think they're hiding.
Tayo mo daw lahat, galing na dito.
So where are the monkeys? I didn't see any.
Wait, ma'am.
Look at that tree right there. They got like a, was that like a root? It's like a root. It's climbing up to the other tree, guys. Look at that. It's like a snake. So guys, we finally here at the waterfall. They said the bottom of the waterfalls is 7 feet deep. Wow, guys, this is amazing. We just take a rest a little bit. I was a little walk from here. It's like 30 minutes walk to get up here. But you know what, guys? It's worth it.
Wait po. Dito siguro ako puti.
I don't know if I want to get up there, but mag-swimming ka? We still have to go to that beach. Oh my gosh, this is very nice. It is so beautiful. Wow, this is like a dream. Later on, guys, we're gonna go up there. We'll go up there, and wow, finally, my dream comes true. Okay na? So guys, I'm gonna go get up there a little bit, see what's up there. I think I can get up there. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna get up there, guys. I'm gonna take you there. Wow, guys, this is really, really spectacular views. Wow, guys. I'm up here watching my sister and my niece. Man, guys, the water is really cool. Oh la la. Oh la la. Woo! My goodness, guys. I'm actually right here in the middle of the waterfalls. Actually, it's a really long falls, guys. But I don't think I want to get up there because it's a little bit slippery. Oh, guys, this is really amazing. Yeah, guys, look at that. Man, I can live right here, guys. So beautiful. So that guy over there, he's gonna jump. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Because down there, guys, is 7 feet deep. He's down there. I don't think I would do that though. I'm a little bit, I'm scared. Oh la la, this is so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. I can stay here, swimming, have picnic, and everything. But you gotta be careful because it's a little bit slippery. That's why I don't move too much. All right.
Tam. Okay.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh la la. Ikaw, Chen. Ikaw. Dito. Kami. Ah, okay. Tapos ito pala yun, right? Tama na yan. Good. Okay, guys. What? This is where you want to take a picture, guys, because it's so beautiful. Yeah, this is where you want to have photos if you like nature. But it takes about 30 minutes to get 20 to 30 minutes to get up here. But like I said, it's really worth it. My niece right there, guys. It's beautiful. My pretty niece. Well, I was gonna jump, but I'm scared. But one guy jumped. All right, guys. Thank you much for watching. And I think we are gonna go down, and we're gonna go to the beach after here, the swimming, water after here at swimming waterfalls. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in the next videos, and please take care of yourself and each other. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. And thank you much. And bye for now, guys.